10 players who won cars in the past year in the fastest possible times. We've got some exciting games in store for you. Yesterday, we had a marvelous contest in which Christopher Williams walked away with a brand new Jeep Wrangler and a total of over $31,000 in prizes. And today, replacing him in this chair, Dean Webb. Let's welcome the newcomer. Hello, Dean. Welcome aboard. What do you do and where are you from?
I'm originally from Seattle, Washington. I've been down here about 2.5 years, and I'm a personal trainer to children.
To children?
Yes.
And what kind of training do you do with them?
Kids that are a little behind in their athletic skills and coordination level. I work with them one-on-one.
That's great.
Try to help them out.
Do you deal with any one age group in particular?
Mostly 12 to 14-year-olds.
Boys, girls, both?
Mostly boys, yeah. Now.
Parents want them to be a little more coordinated and don't want the other guys razzing them, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, good luck to you on the program today. You have to watch out for this young lady because she is good. Picked up over $8,000 in just one game yesterday. Heidi Hendler is back. Hello, Heidi. Heidi Hendler, mother of little Hillary. 4 months old, right?
That's right. That's
okay.
Right.
Let's take a look over here, Heidi, and we will show you and your opponent one of the prizes.
Leave your worries and your shoes behind because you and a guest are going on a barefoot windjammer cruise through the Caribbean. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to San Juan. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll embark on a 6-day Windjammer barefoot cruise, casual sailing adventure in the exotic Caribbean for both old salts and landlubbers. Take off your shoes and sail away to paradise, furnished by Windjammer Barefoot Cruises. Alex.
Something I have always wanted to do and have not yet had an opportunity. The Windjammer Cruise. It sounds so great. Let's show Heidi and Dean where they will find it on the board. Number one, again, number one, easy to remember. All right, we have 5 bonus car seconds as one of the prizes, one of the matches on the board in this game. And Dean, you're the newcomer. You select first. Good luck.
All right. Well, I'd like to get that trip right off the bat. I'll look under number 14.
Red take.
Ooh, let's see if I can find the match for the take under number 21.
The search for red take leads us to a green take. Heidi.
Okay, I'm going for a match for the cruise or a wild card under 10, please.
His and her leather attachés.
Okay. How about the match for that under 7, please?
Compact disc player, no match. Dean?
I wouldn't mind that disc player. Let me see if I can find it under number 25.
Set of 4 radial tires.
Wouldn't mind having that either. How about match that under number 6?
No wallpaper gift certificate. Heidi?
Okay, I'm still going to look for the match for the cruise under 17.
Diamond gold pin.
That's nice. How about a match for the diamond gold pin under 8, please?
Green take, no match. Dean?
I think we've seen that take under number 21.
Yes.
And the match under number 8.
All righty, our first match is made by the challenger, Dean Webb. And the first look at the puzzle is his. Aha. I bet you're just about an inch away from a solution, right, Dean?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Let me check for that trip under number 3.
Caribbean cruise.
Ooh, and the match under number 1.
Number 1?
Yeah!
Yes. And he has the green take as insurance, a little bit of protection for down the line.
Great.
2 more panels swinging open for Dean Webb. Select again.
Let's go to the corner and let me see what's under number 25.
Set of 4 radial
I
tires.
went there.
Before the economy turned a little sour, we used to give away 5 radial tires. But times are tough, folks. 4 radial tires. Count them.
Let's see what's under number 20.
5 bonus car seconds. If we go into a real serious recession, it'll be down to 3 radial tires. Heidi?
I'd love the bonus car second. So how about, I don't think we've seen number 12 yet.
12, good number. Video camera.
Video camera, that'd be great. How about a match for the video camera, a wild card under 4?
Video camera is a match for Heidi Hendler. Now, that would be great for the parents of a 4-month-old baby.
That's right, we need it.
Great way to keep track of the child's progress. Open these 2 doors for Heidi. Try it again, Heidi.
Okay, how about number 6, please?
Wallpaper gift certificate.
Now, I'm not sure. I think we might have seen that, but how about number 20 for the match?
No, that's the 5 bonus car seconds.
Should've
Dean?
known.
I know. I picked the wallpaper. Let me see it. It was the wallpaper number 24.
No, that was the leather attaches.
You've seen that, too. Let me try for the match for the attaches under number 5.
No match.
No.
Diamond gold pin. We have seen that elsewhere. Heidi?
I think the leather attaché is under 10.
Think so? Right.
And the match for that under 24. Please.
24 is a match for the leather attaches. Heidi is correct, and Heidi gets a look at these 2 pieces of the puzzle. Pick again.
Okay, number 17, please. And
Diamond gold pin.
Sorry, and the match under number 5, please.
Correct. Again. 3 prizes for Heidi. She's doing well. Let's see what happens. Select.
Number 11, please.
Set of 4 radial tires.
Match under 25.
Correct.
Please. All right.
Dean may never get a chance to use the green tape that he's had for some time. What happens now as we open these 2 doors? Select.
Gosh, okay. How about number 22, please?
Compact disc player.
We saw that. I want to say under 7. But I'm not
Well,
sure.
I guess you're going to.
Hey, all right.
You wanted to, and you did, Heidi. Well done.
Great.
Another prize for you, another chance to solve the puzzle. Still a wild card up there, of
Gosh,
course.
I don't know. Let's try 18, please.
There's the wild card.
Oh, gosh.
Nothing bad will happen to you on this selection.
You know, there's a trick out there someplace.
There is.
I think 13. I'm not sure.
He has the Windjammer Cruise.
Oh,
but
that's
you get the
still
5
okay.
bonus car
That's
seconds.
great. That's
We
great.
saw those a few minutes ago at number 20. Heidi, you have to win this game, of course, since you have the 1 strike against you, but let's see if you can do it right now. Pick again.
Oh, gosh, nerve-wracking. Okay. How about number 19, please?
Wallpaper gift certificate.
I think under 6, I'm not
Sure
sure.
it is. You saw it there 2 or 3 times already. Another chance for Heidi. Can she do it this time? Pick again.
Gosh.
Dean just sat up in his chair.
Know.
The muse came to him.
How about a wild card? I'm looking for a wild card under 14.
Well, I think we've used up
Red
all the
tape.
wild cards.
Oh,
Make a
did we?
natural match
Okay.
on this take.
How about under 23?
No sooner said than done by Heidi Hendler. We're very close to the end of the game, Heidi. He's got the Caribbean Cruise.
I love it. Sorry, Dean. He's off.
Heidi, solve this puzzle. All right, pick again.
Gosh, I don't know what it is. Number 16, please.
Italian sculpture. Now, Heidi, there are 2 wild cards that remain, so nothing bad can happen on this selection. Doesn't matter what number you
great.
pick.
Then 9, please.
9's a good number. That's the Italian sculpture. In fact, it works out better this way. We'll put the Italian sculpture up there. We'll open these 2 doors. Now we'll show you 2 and 15, and because they come in this order, that's $500 extra in cash for you.
Great.
But every prize up there depends on your being able to solve this puzzle. Can you do it?
Able to crack?
Is it you said able? Able to crack.
Able to
A bolt to crack.
No.
Dean, you're going to break your heart,
I
I
said
feel.
able to crack?
I'm sorry, say it again.
I said able to crack?
Able to crack. Wrong both ways. Dean?
Is it a tough nut to crack?
Is it a tough nut to crack? Heidi, you were there. I'm so sorry. Come on, Dean. Dean had it a little while ago. It's something that either comes to you or it doesn't, and you did it.
Of course, the figure 8, tough. What's the tough? Nut. And then pointing at the 2, and the bell with a crack in it, a tough nut to crack.
Tough nut to crack. That puzzle was a tough nut to crack for Heidi, and we are so disappointed. However, you got 2 strikes against you, but let's look on the plus side. You're going away with over $8,300 in prizes. Congratulations, Heidi. You're a good player. Take care. So long. Dean, good news is you won the game. The bad news is she had all of the prizes.
Yes,
so we'll take a break, and we'll come back and let you play for a brand new car after this. Dean doesn't want to win a car right now. He'd like to win some prizes in the next game, but we'll see what happens. 15 numbered squares for you, Dean, and base time of 35 seconds. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
No. Yes.
7, 9.
No.
10, 12.
No.
13, 12.
Yes.
15, 14.
No.
7, 9.
No.
2, 8.
Yes.
5, 9.
Yep.
1, 14.
No.
11, 15.
Nope. You're on a roll for a while, and then you kind of struggle just a little bit. But that's okay. You've got a win under your belt, so you're an experienced player, and you'll come back to face another challenger after this. We've got a Dean Webb, and we welcome a new Dean, Diana Karasis.
How do you do?
Hiya. Where are you from?
I'm from Calabasas.
Southern California?
Oh, yeah.
Born and bred?
No, I was born in Pennsylvania, but I've been here for
Forever.
40 years. Yeah.
All right, you ready to play?
You bet.
Let's get to it. Check it out. Good prize.
A Martin Lawrence Gallery's limited edition serograph tennis landscape by Mark King, numbered and hand-signed by the artist, and furnished by Martin Lawrence Galleries. Alex.
And that prize is on the board right here. Number 16, we've got a vacation in Jackson Hole, Wyoming in this game. We have $500 in the cash pot. And Diana Karazizis, is that right?
Yes.
Karazizis.
Yes, very good.
Greek?
Yes.
Correct. Okay.
All
Make
right.
2 selections.
I would like to look right in the middle at 13, please. Red take.
Right.
Okay. Let's try 19.
Wild card, so the take's going up in front of you.
Okay.
The other red take at number 18.
Thank you,
3
thank you.
pieces of the puzzle
Okay.
in a bunch.
Yeah.
Opening up.
Oh, great.
Might as well pick again.
Yeah. 3.
VCR.
Oh, VCR, great. Okay, let's try number 7.
20-piece cookware set. No match there, Dean?
Okay, let me see if I can find that VCR under number 20.
20-piece cookware set.
And the match to number 7?
Yes. See how easy it is?
I was forgot.
When you select after Diana, open it up for him.
Wow.
You're going to pick again, I feel.
Yeah, that's a good bet there. Let me see what's under number 15.
Dining room?
Oh, man, do I need that. Let's see at the match or wild card under number 23.
Wild card is a match. The dining room set will go up in Dean's column after we reveal it at number 6. And 3 doors are swinging open for him. Try it again.
Okay, let's see if I can get a wild card or that VCR under number 17.
Diamond and opal ring.
Okay, let's see if I can get the match of that ring under number 4.
No, camping package. Diana.
Okay, let's open up the puzzle under number 16, please.
Artwork.
Artwork. Oh, that's where we saw it. Darn it. How about number 9?
How about 9? Dishwasher there. Dean?
Okay, let's see. I don't think we've seen under number 10.
Diamond and opal ring.
Oh, man. The match for that under number 12?
No, that's a green take. Diana's going to make the match for you.
How about number 17?
Yep.
And number 10 for the match.
That is correct. And Diana, you've got the take, and he's got the dining room and the cookware. Cookware's not, I mean, it's a nice prize, but it's
I
not
would
great.
like the dining room because my table sags in the middle. So only skinny people can sit in the middle of the table. So I'd like the dining room.
Dining room. Makes sense to me, folks. Hey, the table sags, you know what I mean?
What's an antique?
All right, let's open it up.
Calling all cars?
Is it calling all cars? No.
Aw. Okay.
They're not booing you.
I know.
They're with you.
Yeah.
That's a sympathetic groan.
I know.
Select again.
I've been up there forever. 22, please.
Artwork.
And 16.
16 for the artwork. Another match, another chance for Diana. Open these two panels.
Calling card?
Is it, for the win, calling card? And it will be for the win. Way to go, Diana. You were on the right track, you see. Just had to work at it a little bit. Come on. Let's go to the board. Now you get to explain it.
Okay. Well, I saw the K and the all, and then the link that they've had for so many years. And then I got mixed up over here, but it's the car and the D for calling card.
Way to go. Congratulations. You know, I'm just wondering how many people knew what an all was before Classic Concentration went on the air. Dean, this is your first strike, and that means you'll get to play again, and we'll see you in that one later on. But right now, we'll say goodbye to you, and we'll say hello to Gene, because he's going to tell you, Diana, about your prizes. Go.
A diamond opal ring and a dining room. Bassett's Eastern Winds dining room set captures the mystery of the Orient. Its delicately engraved floral pattern in a rich birch finish, black trim, and polished brass hardware furnished by Bassett. And, of course, the lovely artwork. And Diana, as we say in Greek, saga po, I love you, because now you're worth $5,280.
Saga po. Does that mean I love you in Greek?
I don't know. My husband's Greek, Russian, and Italian.
Greek, Russian, and Italian. Oh, a true American.
Yeah,
We'll take a break, and we'll come back to play the car round after we find out what Sagapo really means.
Follow us on our social media.
Thank you, Marjorie. By the way, folks, for those of you who had wondered why Marjorie never seems to slip off the hood of the car, it's because we use the very highest quality double-edged tape. She's stuck up there. All right, Diana, you could win in the next minute or so this car. It's called the Volkswagen Fox. Right next to that, we've got the convertible, the Dodge Shadow, followed by that dark green Pontiac Firebird. Then the Hyundai Excel, the Honda Civic, the Jeep Wrangler, the Mazda 323, and finally the Geo Metro. Terrific selection for you. Ready to do this?
I'm ready.
Okay, you're going to look over here.
Oh, all
because
right.
Here are the 15 numbered squares and the clock with base time of 35 seconds. Good luck to you, Diana. Off you go.
13, 14,
No.
15, 13,
Right.
10, 12,
No.
14, 9,
Yes.
8, 12,
Yes.
1, 6,
No.
3, 5,
No.
10, 3,
No.
1, 5,
Yes.
2, 11,
No.
4, 11.
Boy, you sort of reminded me of my first marriage. You were gung-ho at the beginning, and then you sort of, well, okay, maybe we'll not do it.
Oh, I didn't want to win in one game.
You know, you've won a mile with us. 5,280 feet or dollars worth of prizes. We'll be back. Game.
Some of today's participants may receive Soft Touch, puts designer fashion into fitness, coordinated bodywear and nylon fibers, bright colors, layered looks, and new silhouettes for any workout furnished by Soft Touch. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Time, the tournament next week. See ya.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.